To set up user tracking in Google Analytics, first log into your WordPress site and navigate to Insights and then to Settings. Next, click on the E-commerce tab. Now toggle the Enable User ID Tracking to On, then click Save Changes. Now log into your Google Analytics account, then go to Admin, then to Data Display, and then to Reporting Identity. Now select the Blended option. To see the ID data, go to Explore and create a User Explorer custom exploration report that includes ID tracking. Once you've done this, you'll typically see a client ID like this. But with the user ID tracking enabled in WordPress, it will be replaced with a WordPress user ID like this. You can identify WordPress user's ID by going to your WordPress dashboard and then to Users and then to All Users. To find a user's ID, hover over the user and check the URL at the bottom of the browser, or just click the Edit link under the username to see the user ID in the web address.